Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply tearing paper transition on CapCut. Alright guys, here I have imported some clips to my CapCut project, and if you want to put transition, the first thing we have to do is clicking on this transition button right here. Then we're going to select the transition that we want to apply, and since we want to apply tearing paper transition, we can scroll all the way to the right on this part like this. You have to scroll all the way to the right until you find mask category. So this is the mask category. Tap on it, then we want to find the tearing paper transition. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the right like this, and this is the transition that we want to add. Just tap on the transition and you can customize the duration. I'm going to, for example, I'm going to increase the duration, and after that we can click on this check mark button. But if you want to apply this transition to all your clips, you just need to click on apply to all right here. And for me, I'm just going to click on this check mark button. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the results. So I'm gonna play the video. Okay, and this is the result, guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply tearing paper transition on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.